Looking for the best Wi-Fi 7 mesh systems of 2025? Whether you're looking to upgrade your home network, boost performance for gaming, streaming, or work, we've got the perfect picks for you. In today's countdown, we'll dive into the top 5 Wi-Fi 7 mesh systems that promise unmatched speed, coverage, and reliability. Stick around till the end for our top pick, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for the best deals. Let's get started. Starting our countdown strong is the Amazon Aero Pro 7, a Wi-Fi 7 powerhouse designed for ultra-fast, low-latency connectivity. This tri-band mesh router supports speeds up to 5 gigabits per second, ensuring buffer-free streaming, gaming, and smart home control. Covering up to 2,000 square feet, it's perfect for apartments, small homes, or expanding networks. With Wi-Fi 7's multi-link operation, the Aero Pro 7 delivers seamless performance across multiple devices, even in high-traffic environments. The Amazon-backed software optimizes your network in real time, reducing lag and enhancing stability. Plus, Matter and Thread support future-proof your smart home setup. Setup is effortless with the Aero app, allowing you to manage your network, prioritize devices, and enable advanced security features. If you're looking for a compact but powerful Wi-Fi 7 mesh system, the Amazon Aero Pro 7 is a top contender. Want the best price? Check out the links in the description for exclusive deals. Stay tuned for number 4. Coming in at number 4 is the TP-Link Deco B63 Wi-Fi 7 mesh system, designed to offer a next-level network experience for the modern home. This tri-band system supports speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, delivering lightning-fast connections and high bandwidth performance across all your devices. With its 6-stream capability, you can enjoy seamless streaming, gaming, and working from home with zero lag. The Deco B63 features 4x 2.5G wired backhaul ports, providing ultra-fast and reliable connections for wired devices while keeping your wireless network fast and stable. The iRoaming technology ensures that you stay connected as you move throughout your home, while in MIMO and smart internal antennas further enhance signal strength and range. With features like VPN support, Home Shield security, and the easy-to-use Deco app, managing your network has never been simpler. Whether you're gaming, working, or streaming, the TP-Link Deco B63 is engineered to keep you connected and running at top speed. In at number 3 is the powerhouse NETGEAR Orbi 970 series Wi-Fi 7 mesh system. This quad-band mesh system offers up to a mind-blowing 27 gigabits per second of total Wi-Fi speed, ensuring you have the fastest, most reliable connection possible for all your devices. Perfect for large homes, it covers up to 10,000 square feet and supports up to 200 devices simultaneously without compromising speed or performance. The Orbi RB973S system includes a router and 2 satellite extenders, creating an expansive, stable network that reaches every corner of your home. The 10 gig internet port ensures ultra-fast wired connections for those who need the absolute best performance, coupled with advanced security features. This system safeguards your data with automatic security updates and parental controls for peace of mind. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working remotely, the NETGEAR Orbi 970 series ensures that your whole home is connected with no dead zones. Don't forget to check out the best deals in the description below. Let's jump to number 2. Taking the number 2 spot is the ASUS ZenWiFi BT10, a tri-band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system that redefines home networking with staggering speeds of up to 18 gigabits per second. Whether you're a gamer, streamer, or multitasker, this mesh system delivers seamless connectivity with exceptional speed and reliability across your entire home. It's perfect for homes up to 6,000 square feet, ensuring no dead zones in sight. The dual 10G ports offer ultra-fast wired connections, ideal for those who require the highest bandwidth for demanding tasks. And with advanced security and parental controls, you can manage and protect your network effortlessly, while the Smart Home Master SIDs allow seamless device management. What sets this apart is its versatility. The ZenWiFi BT10 also supports 4G 5G mobile tethering, giving you options in areas with less traditional broadband availability. With ASUS proven reliability, the ZenWiFi BT10 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking top-tier Wi-Fi 7 performance. Claiming the top spot is the TP-Link Deco B85, the ultimate tri-band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system that offers a blazing fast 22 gigabits per second with 12 streams for unparalleled performance. Ideal for large homes or demanding users, this system provides flawless connectivity over vast areas with coverage of up to 10,000 square feet and supports 200 devices simultaneously without compromising speed. Equipped with 2x10G ports and 2x2.5G ports for wired backhaul, the Deco B85 ensures lightning-fast wired connections for high-bandwidth tasks like 4K streaming, gaming, or video conferencing. 8 high-gain antennas enhance coverage, ensuring strong signals even in challenging areas. For added flexibility, the Deco B85 integrates AI roaming for smooth device handoff as you move throughout your home, while Home Shield security keeps your network safe with advanced threat protection. Additionally, its 4x4 and UMIMO support enhances the network's efficiency for multiple devices, ensuring smooth performance across the board. When it comes to raw power and functionality, the TP-Link Deco B85 is second to none. And that's a wrap on our list of the top 5 Wi-Fi 7 mesh systems of 2025. We hope you found the perfect option for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Check out the links in the description for the best deals. Thanks for watching.